Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to my vlog. So as you can see, this is our topic for today's video, Lakadbulan or Sambong. So this is one of the benefits of this Sambong tea. And kayo na bahala mag-search sa Google and everything. Hi guys! So ito pala yung iniinom ko na Sambong. Ayan, or Lakadbulan in Bicol. So ayan, dadagdagan ko siya ng tubig. Papakuluan ko ulit kasi ininom ko na siya. Ayan. Kagabi to pinakuluan, tapos uminom na ako kagabi bago matulog, tapos ngayon na umaga, tapos mamaya ulit. Hi guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to my morning mini vlog. So time check is around 7:21 in the morning and I just woke up. I did not take anything. So I just momog and then now I'm going to share to all of you what I'm going to do. So last time I'm drinking like apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning, warm water, or the Santi, but now it's different. So now I'm going to share to all of you this tea. Yeah, so this is Sambong tea in Tagalog, and in Bicol this is called Lakadbulan. So kayo na bahala mag-search sa Google. Anti-inflammatory, tas meron siyang mga other benefits na binibigay sa UTI, basta marami. Kayo na mag-search Sambong in Tagalog or Lakadbulan. So I don't know kung ano ang scientific nito in English, but this is very organic, fresh sambong na pinakuluan ko kagabi. Tapos ininit ni mama kanina. So ngayon ang gagawin ko ay ito ang inimon ko first thing in the morning. So this is color green guys, medyo matapang siya kasi unang kulo. Yeah. And I'm going to try if this is warm. I'm going to add some warm water para ano siya, medyo mainit. Yeah. So this is it. Very strong guys. Remember, this is Sambong. And yes. Medyo mapait siya guys. It tastes a little bit bitter because this is the first boil. So papakuluan mo siya hanggat may kulay na green. Hang pagpawala na siya, ibig sabihin, tapos na. Kumuha ka ulit ng bagong dahon. So ngayon, di ba nakita nyo, konti na lang. So lalagyan ko siya ng more water and more pakulo. Hanggang sa maubos na yung kulay niya. So any kinds of mga herbal guys, nagtatry ako. Nakaraan nagtry ako ng mga luya, yung anti-binat, lemon. So kahit ano na alam kong healthy. So nagtatry ako. Better than mag-try ako ng mga other medication. So ayun. So iinumin ko to good for this week, 1 week. And then wala lang. Para lang siyang parang detox ko lang na ihi ka ng ihi. Tapos nakakatulong siya kapag may period ka. Although wala akong period ngayon, pero ang the purpose ko kaya ako uminom niyan kasi gusto kong ma-detoxify yung stomach ko. Kasi it's been lately na nakakapag-feel ako ng mga cram. So kumain ako ng mga noodles, mga chichirya. So maybe I don't want magka-UTI na naman kasi prone ako lagi sa UTI. Kasi naman, meron akong PCOS or Pcos. So, I'm dealing PCOS for about almost 1 year na. And I'm not happy about it. So, I have my OB/GYN doctor. She prescribed me to take supplements and pills. But I stopped the pills because first, it's very expensive. Because it's German pills. And I don't like the side effect. It's like makes me feel drowsy, vomiting, something like that. And now I'm only taking the supplement powder. That's the one who maintain my hormones. And yeah, I eat vegetables as much as I can. And I'm trying to get ready myself for the glycemic diet, like more on fruits and fiber only. So good luck to me. Because you know guys, no matter how I hard exercise, having a PCOS is not easy. You know what? Because if I don't work out, I'm sure I will gain a lot of weight. But since I do my workout, so I maintain my weight now. But the problem is my belly pouch is like, I feel it's like getting bigger compare before. Even I'm dieting on food, even I work out active every day, I try to sleep enough, I try to eat healthy. So it's really annoying, guys. And I know those people have PCOS will understand what I mean. And yeah, good luck to me. And it's not easy, guys, but yeah, I will try my best to heal my hormones, to balance my hormones, because I have imbalanced hormones. So I watch many videos about how to be healthy, especially on videos those who have encountered a PCOS and they do their best to overcome, and I get some idea from them. So I'm grateful because when I try to follow their advice, so it's working on me slowly. I know we all have different kinds of life situation and everything, but if we try to start to do something to find out our body on how to heal, and I think it will work. So for now, that's it, my morning vlog, and I think see you on my next mini vlog. Bye, guys. Always be happy, healthy, and thanks for watching.